Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI and I want to show you the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7.
It's probably one of the best purchases we have ever made. For the price, I think this is an excellent budget tablet. It has all the features that you need. The size of it is just right. It's very lightweight, so you can even hold it with one hand. And the frame is sturdy metal, so it's a very tough tablet. The screen resolution is great and the sound is too. It's perfect for watching movies or videos. The battery lasts a long time, even after using it all day. So I think this is a very good, reliable budget tablet. For the price, I feel like you can do pretty much everything with it.
And that is my point of view.